double tap the screen please. वो screen double tap करो. Welcome. वो screen double tap करो guys. Welcome. Welcome to my stream. Double tap the screen. Hello guys. Welcome. Double tap the screen guys, please. वो screen double tap करो. Hello. How are you? How are you guys? How are you? How are you doing? What are you doing? You have a good life and a good health. Hello. Yes, I'm playing. Yes, I'm choosing some of these characters here. Where am I? Oh, where am I? Oh, they found me nearly left me. I have to free this one. I have to have him free. Double tap the screen, guys. Double tap the screen. Oh, he nearly found me. I have to swim through this river. Yeah. Oh, no. He nearly found me. Oh, no. Yes, I'm escaping. I win. Why not buy? Stay now. Stay for a bit, huh? Stay for a moment and watch my stream, guys. Stay for some time and watch my stream. Double tap the screen, like and subscribe. Oh, they found me. This big girl is so hard to escape. This big girl is so hard to escape. Hi guys. Hello. कैसे हो? कैसे हो guys? कैसे हो? ठीक हो और मैं ठीक हूँ. Where are you from, guys? Where are you from? Why all of you are silent, guys? थोड़ा बोलो ना. Oh, it found me. Hello. Hello, where are you from? कैसे हो? कैसे हो guys? कैसे हो? Run. Ah, yes. Hello. कैसे हो? Run. Ooh, they found me. Why are you silent, guys? Why are you silent? The chat is opening up. Why are you silent? The chat is opening for everyone while you're leaving. Why my streaming is not interesting or what? Double tap the screen. Please double tap. Double tap the screen, brother and sister. Re bhaiya. Oh, let me free this one. Yes. Oh, I left my footprint so this one can find me. Yes, go, 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 go. Run, 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 run. Free this one, yeah. Have this one free. Yes. Double tap the screen, guys. Come on, double tap the screen. I have to help this one. If you find me, I will. Yes. I already have this guy. Double tap the screen, guys. Come on, double tap the screen. Yeah. Double tap the screen. Hello. Hello, hello. Double tap the screen. Come on, double tap the screen. Double tap the screen. Hello. Double tap the screen now, bro. Hello, bhaiya. Oh, no, 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 run, 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 run. Yes, I will hold this too. Yes, 1, 1, 2. Yes, I'm done. Run, 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 run. Oh, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, he found me. Unfortunately, he found me. Oh, I left my footprint here. I should escape. I should run far from this guy who has a detector. Oh, so many here. Need to help. Oh, he found me. Double tap the screen, please. Run, 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 run. Yes, win. Ooh. Double tap the screen. Go further to double tap the screen. Oh, you found me, you found me. You nearly found me. You gotta have some of these. Run, 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 run. Welcome, 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 guys. Welcome, how are you? How are you guys? How are you? How are you doing? I hope you're doing well within life. I hope you're doing well. Oh, you found me. Go, 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 go. Kindly double tap the screen, guys. Awesome. Yes, I just escaped and I win. Okay, if you're not willing to double tap the screen, then just watch. It's okay. I don't mind. I don't mind if you don't like the stream also. I appreciate your watching. Yes. Yes, I have one. There are two more. Hello guys, welcome. How are you? How are you? Where are you from? Where are you from, guys? Which country are you, or which part of India you belong to? Hello, how are you? Why you don't say anything, guys? Say something. Are you all silent? Chat with me in the comment. Chat with me in the comment, guys. How are you? Where are you from? Hello. Where are you from? Hello, please look down the screen. Double tap the screen. Come on, guys. Tap the screen. How are you, guys? Hello. Hello, how are you doing? Hello, how are you? कैसे हो? Hello. Hi. Hello. Please like and subscribe. Welcome, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Just be kind, like and subscribe. Just one like is enough. One subscribe is enough. Please like and subscribe. Kindly like and subscribe, guys. Like is free. Subscribe is free. And do comment also. It's not that hard to comment. Just type some random words also. It's okay. So please leave a like and subscribe. While you're leaving, guys, come on, like and subscribe. Just say hi. Come on, while you're leaving. Hi guys, welcome. Welcome to the streamer with the helmet guy. A helmet guy. Just leave a like, subscribe if you can. And if you cannot do so, it's okay. I totally appreciate you come to my stream. So I'm grateful for you. How are you doing today? Okay, you are living. I hope they'll come. Some will come too. So how are you, buddy? How are you doing? Hello, how are you doing, guys? How are you doing? I hope you're doing well today, and I hope you're doing well tomorrow also. And I hope you have a great life. So just give me one like and one subscribe. I really appreciate it if you can do that. Hello. My food is heating right now. My food is heating. It's just 28 minutes I have streaming, but my phone is heating. My phone has a heating problem. So kindly give me a like and subscribe. That's totally cool with me. That's fine with me. And if you cannot also, I really appreciate that you come to my stream. That's all. I totally appreciate it. So if you don't mind, I'm just asking you how you doing. How are you today? How are you? I hope you're doing well. Yeah. I hope you're doing well with your life. Life is hard nowadays, but I still hope doing good. Hello guys, welcome to the streaming. Why don't you say hi or comment where are you from? Where are you from, guys? Hello, welcome. How are you doing today? How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Doing good with your life. Indonesian. You're from Indonesia? Ooh, Indonesia is a very nice. It's a very nice country. Yeah. How are you? I'm good. Thank you. I'm good. How about you? How are you doing today? What is your name? What is your name? If it is possible, so give me a like and a subscribe. That is just a request, but if you cannot also, it is okay. I appreciate you come to my stream. That's all. Actually, I do. If it is possible, I want to visit Indonesia. Indonesia is a very good country. It's a very good country, Indonesia. So how are you guys? How are you from? Where are you from? One of my friend here is from Indonesia. So how about you? So how about the other guys there? Where are you from? How are you doing today? Have you done your dinner? Hello. Leave some comment. Just people here leave the comment. And one number two, one number, yeah. Hello, hello Indonesian. Are you still there? Imran Salam. Are you there, Imran? Are you still there? Hello, Imran. Imran Salam. Am I pronounced it correctly? Just let me know. Am I pronounced it correctly? Hello, hello, brother. Is your name Imran Salam? Is your name? No. Okay. Then what is your name then? If you don't mind. Yeah, and because I see your username that is Imran Salam. It might be your nickname, who knows, right? Oh, you need money. Me also, I need money, bro. Me also, I'm so poor. I am so poor, brother. Nowadays there is a lot of unemployed. A lot of. It's so hard to build a business. It's hard to work. It's hard to. I feel you, my brother. I feel your current situation because I am the same situation at the moment. I have no job. I'm just a laborer sometimes. I just a laborer. So during these during the summer season a lot of rain, so we don't get a chance to walk every day. So it's very hard. It's very hard, my brother. I feel you. I feel you. Totally understand that. What do you mean Halloween, bro? This is my helmet. Yeah, if you consider it Halloween also is okay. It's okay. It isn't good helmet though. Yeah. Take off his helmet. Why, brother? You want to know me? You want to see my face? Still too less people to myself. When I reach 10k subscriber, then I will reveal myself. If I don't get that 10k, then I will still wearing this ugly helmet here. I know it is ugly, but I'm still wearing it. Yes, yes, brother. I understand that. I understand, but I can't do anything because me also I am in the same situation. So, brother, so I hope you get a job. I hope you get a job. That's all. Me also I don't have. It's just I'm working like from hand to mouth. I work today and then I will buy the things that I need, and then sometimes I just have to lend money from the other people. I have to lend money from them. I have to ask money from them. I have to ask money from them so that I can buy something for me. I totally understand you, brother. I hope you're doing great. Hello guys, how are you? You need money to build the house. You need money to build the house. My brother, you need money to build the house. Hello, you need money to build the house. You need money to construct the house. Hello, welcome to this training. I don't have money, my brother, so what should I do? What is your currency in Indonesian? If I'm not mistaken, it is rupiah, right? Rupiah. You said rupiah? Yes, it rupiah, my brother. Hello, my brother. Just playing game right now. I'm a little bored. Oh, he found me. If I can collect this coin into real money, then definitely I'm going to donate you. There's 24,916 coin. If it is, if I am able to collect this coin, then I'll definitely send it to you so that you can construct your house. Hello, welcome. You're just you and me in this stream. Guess you and me, you are the only one who watch the stream currently. Or two of you coming. Okay, is coming, so welcome. How are you doing today? So if you don't mind, just leave a like and do subscribe. Thank you.